Hi, I'm Kathleen Matinlassi, presenting a gorgeous 3-bedroom home with water views and great family potential. Located on the high side of Marlin Avenue in our growing suburb of Floraville, you have sparkling views of Lake Macquarie. The large block offers elevated gardens, room for a pool, and adorable cubby house, all with water views over the house. Ask me about the DA application for the new build and swimming pool, and in the meanwhile you can enjoy the new covered entertaining deck with views to the lake. Inside the home, the timber floors run throughout, and the kitchen is updated with window access to the deck, featuring a large fridge space and dishwasher. 2 of the 3 bedrooms have lake views to watch the sunset each night, and the living and dining are open plan and bright. This home is perfect to live in, plan a new build, and create a new dream home. So be quick to inspect, because if you love it, you can buy it.